Oh, wow.
Yes.
But I have to lift this. I can't.
So this is the crater, and the volcano erupts from here. And the actual depth of this crater is 90 meters, and the diameter is about 300 meters. And as volcanic soils are very, very fertile, that's why there's plenty of vegetation inside.
What? This is going to become a parachute. Oh fuck. Thought it's gonna break. Oh man. Huh? Yeah, hang on now, this thing just broke. So on a good day it should look like that. At least I can take a picture of the picture. Oh, this, whoa, that's a cool sight. Huh? Yeah, I didn't expect that.